Hello guys, Dan Grim from the Dan Grim collection. So we will work on Dot 50. It's a British bike that I bought a couple of years ago. It's been restored in 2000. I bought that bike, let's say 3-4 years ago, and put it on my collection. Didn't run it, so didn't start it yet. So I don't know how long it's been there without running, but we will work on it and make sure that this bike is running. And I wanted to drive this bike this summer, so let's do it. So it's a beautiful motorcycle, British motorcycle, Dot 1950. I've got another engine here, that the same engine for the parts, so that's pretty interesting. So like I said, I bought that bike a couple of years ago and didn't start it yet. I put it on my collection, and now I wanted to ride with it this summer. So we'll do all the change of the oil. There's no oil on the engine because it's a two-stroke, but the chain, we will make sure that everything is pretty nice grease there. The gearbox, we'll have to change the oil on the gearbox. We will clean the carburetor, make sure that everything is good. The cock, make sure that everything is okay there. The spark plug, the points, we will clean the points too. And it's about it for that motorcycle, and we'll see if it starts. Démarrer ça. Alors on a du feu, on a de la compression, puis on a du pétrole maintenant. On va voir si tout ça fonctionne bien ensemble. Alors, quand tu as fait ce que tu as à faire avec la moto puis que tu veux l'entreposer, moi, j'ai besoin de place, donc ce moto-là va retourner dans ma collection en entreposage. Donc, ce que tu fais, c'est que tu vides complètement ton carburateur, tu nettoies ça comme il faut avec du nettoyeur à carburateur. Puis, tu sais, avec les essences qu'on a aujourd'hui, avec l'éthanol, c'est pas très bon, maintenir ça. Moi, ce moto-là va retourner dans mon exposition, fait que elle va être un petit bout sans ressortir. On sait qu'elle marche maintenant, donc super.